you can't say that stuff about yourself, but when the patient says it, it's fair game. So that's where I would start.
The last question is, I realize my practice has few business systems. Where is the best place to start?
So we have 24 business systems. And I feel a little bit like the dad with 24 children. I can't really pick a favorite. They're all my favorite.
Right.
So, you asked a question and I'm going to answer it. There is some science to putting these systems in place. The science is that you want to start with a relatively simple system so we can build confidence among our team members. You want to start with success. We don't want to get bogged down in quicksand and then the team members say, oh, this system stuff is crazy. Can't we just go back to the way it was, Doc? We want to have successes where the team is saying, what's next? What's next? What's next? And the one I always like to start with, and I think you'll agree with it, Aaron, is a system to consistently collect more Google reviews. A system to collect more Google reviews. That's the one I'd like you to start with, because that one has all kinds of side benefits to the practice in terms of our marketing success,